Hello, so today we are going to be making one of my most popular brownies. Now I'm done gatekeeping this recipe and I'm going to share it with you guys. And trust me, the amount of times I had to alter and recreate this for it to taste what it tastes now, which is awesome. As you can see, I started by melting some butter, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate. And the dark chocolate gives it such a rich flavor. Now, in another bowl, I've had half cup of brown sugar and white sugar, and I'm going to be whisking 3 eggs one by one until it's really smooth. I hate how good the camera quality looks right now, but as soon as I upload to YouTube, it goes to shit. Anyway, after the chocolate mixture has cooled down, you can combine them, and as you can see, it's gonna be like this, sticky mixture, not too thick. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I usually add a pinch of coffee too, but since I'm adding dark chocolate, you don't have to. Then comes my all-purpose flour and cocoa powder, and you can see this mixture is like really smooth and pretty. And please, for God's sake, don't skip this. You have to add crushed walnuts unless it's gonna kill you. It literally makes it so much better. And then for marshmallows, I don't know, I just do it because I'm just a girl. And then I don't care what baking tray you use, as long as it doesn't break in the oven, it's fine. You can coat it with some oil, pour your mixture in, bake your oven at 175 degrees for 10 minutes. And then you have to bake it for 35 to 45 minutes. But you can just bake it for 35 minutes and leave it in the oven for I don't know how much ever time you want. This will give it a more gooey texture. Then I didn't have much time, so I know I cut it really badly, but ta-da! It's so good. You have to try it. You have to do it.